Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you had a good day yesterday. Let's jump into calendar. Echo me. The month is September. Your turn. If yesterday was the 14th day of September, then I know today is the 15th day of September. So let's remember it's September 15th. Let's write our date. Here we go. September is the 9th month. It is September 15th, and the year is 2020. We wrote it in number form. Now let's write it in word form. Here we go. September 15th, 2020. Very good. Let's look at what day of the week it is today. I see that today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, in our brains, let's think back. If today is Tuesday, what comes before Tuesday? You are right. Monday. So if yesterday was Monday and today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. Nice work. All right, yesterday we had been at school 4 days. 4 plus 1 more equals, you're right, 5. We have been in school 5 days now. Now with our money, we can do something different today. Yes, I can still do 5 cents with pennies. But this is probably not the best way. I know there is another coin that's worth 5 cents that would make more sense here. What coin is it? Is it the quarter, the nickel, the penny, or the dime? You're right. It's the nickel. So you can make 5 cents with 5 pennies, 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, or you can simply make it with 1 nickel. That is 5 cents. As promised today, you have some new words. Shout them out to me. Here we go. Me. Was. For. See if you can be faster. They. You. Said. Very good. We're going to count by 5s today. We're going all the way to 120. Use your finger to point if it helps you. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Good job, everyone. Keep practicing.